Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Squad Busters game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Squad Busters game on your device. And once you have completed a few levels and reached level 5, you will have access to the Friends menu. Go ahead and tap on Friends from the homepage, and now you will see the Add Friends button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can add your friends using their QR code, or you can also add them with their player ID. Tap on whichever option is suitable for you and just type in their player ID or scan the QR code. Then tap on the Add Friend button and this will send a friend request to any user that you have added. Once they tap on the Accept button from the invite screen within their game, you will then become friends with this person. After this, you will be able to party up with any person that is on your friends list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your Squad Busters game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.